Welcome back to the JJ Watt Appreciation Tour. Unlike the last video where JJ Watt did an outside swim move on JP Holtz, he's going inside on Germain Ifedi here. Here's Germain Ifedi, and Germain Ifedi is going to look just awful on this play. This is at the beginning of the game when it's really the Bears' first true possession, because on their first actual possession, David scored on the first play. So this is their second possession early in the game, and J.J. Watt is just going to make Germain Ifedi look silly here on an inside swim move on this outside zone running play that J.J. is going to disrupt the whole thing. It's going to force David Montgomery back inside this way, where he's just going to get swallowed up. Oof, that is brutal. Again, watch Germain Ifedi right here. And wow, look at that swim move. Dear God, he's disrupting the play. David's forced back inside, and he's getting swallowed up. Nice play, J.J. Watt.